how many of us at the beginning of the new year set out with the best of intentions to change something about our health and well-being, and then inevitably February rolls around and those good intentions have completely fallen down, down the gutter, so to speak. And exactly. And we know this is what the behavior researchers call the intention behavior gap. It's this notorious problem that we've got in behavior change research. So I started looking at, well, what evidence do we have about what works to help people overcome the intention behavior gap? And I came across some work by Peter Goldwitzer at New York University, where he developed a very, very simple strategy called IfThen planning. And it's been shown not to be perfect and foolproof, but it has been shown to be enormously beneficial for people who are trying to change behavior, healthy behavior, everything from eating better to exercising more or getting enough sleep, or in my case, mindfulness, fitness training. And so it's a very simple technique, and this is how it looks in my life. It enables me to plan for when I'm going to practice mindfulness, but also to then plan for what I'm going to do when I inevitably slip up. So my IfThen strategy looks like this. If it is 6:15 in the morning, then I will sit up in my bed at home and I will practice mindfulness training for 45 minutes. If one of my young children wakes up early and interrupts my practice, then I will meditate in a meeting room on my lunch break. If I don't get my lunch break and something happens and that all falls through, then I will meditate in the park at the end of my road before I go home at the end of the day. And so on and so on and so on until it comes to, 10 p.m. at night and I'm exhausted and I still haven't done any mental training yet. If it is the end of the night and I still haven't practiced, then I will commit to at least 10 minutes at the end of the night. Okay. And I've got an IfThen strategy for my weekends, and it just works. And to this day, I set out to meditate every day for a year in 2017. And here we are in 2021, and I have never missed a day.